how to add shift lock in Roblox Studio. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, when you open the Roblox Studio, you can click on settings and click on set by developer, and as you can see this option here, you can just open Roblox Studio and your game, navigate to your game project to Roblox Studio and locate starter player. In the explorer window, find and select starter player, access controls. Like within starter player, find the control section and expand it. As you can see from here, the control section, and then you have to enable mouse lock. Locate the enable mouse lock option property and ensure it is checked or enabled, and you can start your game and test if shift lock is working as expected. Like test in game, you should be able to press the shift key to lock the camera and move the characters view independently. So that's how you can shift lock in Roblox Studio. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next video.